Hello, who is this? Hello, who is speaking? Hey dude, what are you doing? Are you sleeping in the day? Nothing, bro. Just lying on the bed. You forgot? We have to go in a party? Yeah, I know. But it's 12 o'clock now. Party is in the evening. Why are you calling me again and again? Okay, dear. Take rest. I'm in a problem. I think I have to go and meet him. Okay, let's go. Who is knocking the door? Please open the door. The door is open. Please come inside. Have a seat. Hey dude, I'm in a problem here and you are sleeping. What happened, dude? What's the matter? She is not picking up my call. But why? She is angry with me from last night. Got my number in blacklist. Yeah, I think she wants to break up with you. No bro, not like that. Why are you talking like this? You know, I love a lot. Oh dude, don't worry. Everything will be fine. Please help me out. I can't live without her. I do something for you. Okay? I'm always be with you.